Already terrified. Oh. What the fuck is going on? Firstly, bloody hell, that's loud. Alright. Can I just jump? Oh, what the? Oh, it's just holding up on the D-pad. I'm holding W. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, okay. Okay. Ah! Welcome to Badlands. This is a game I just found online when I was looking for a game to play. I don't like it. And it's... No. Oh god. It reminded me a lot of Limbo, so I liked it. Because Limbo is fun. Oh! What's that? Is that a level done? Yes? Oh. Alright. No! No, wait! Alright, let's go. What are these things? Whoa, they make me huge! I don't know if I want them. Yeah, smaller ones. Small. Teeny tiny. Oh! That's very Rayman-esque. Ah! Ow, 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 ow. I don't want a big one. Wee. Ow. There we go. No, what? No! Oh, there we go. Oh, he's really cute. There we go. I feel like I may have needed that. Oh no, I got these things. I'm so fast. No, I can't get down. Ah! This is surprisingly hard. Very cute. Oh my god. My phone's going off. Alright, just roll and fly. There we go. Yeah, we did it. Just put my phone back there so it doesn't vibrate. There we go. Okay. Wee. Ah, what are these things? What are you? There are two of me! Oh my god, do I have to keep them both alive? Because that's not going to happen. That's just... oh. Ah! There's another one! More me's! Come! Oh, well. Yeah, more me's. Let's go. Oh god. Well, so... Hi guys. There are two me's. Okay, so it's the same size. But only... do they both shrink? Yeah. Bye. Oh, these things are cute. Oh, they're cool. Oh, there's a thing in the background with eyes. I just saw it. What are these dots? I don't get it. Alright, yeah. Oh. It looks really pretty. What did that do? Oh god. Hay fever is killing me today. I just... oh, there we go. What do the eggs do? They make me really fast. I feel like they do. Ooh. Oh, look at that bunny's terrifying. Oh, fuck. Yeah, they're definitely moving fast. Oh, look at all those things. Oh. Oh, no. Right, don't focus on the things in the background. Focus on not dying. Alright. Well, this is going well. Yeah. Oh. There we go. Slow down, balls. Right. Oh, yeah. Victory tube. Woo. More dots. I don't get what the dots do. Hey, slow down, all. Alright, so, and then up here. Oh, I really fucked myself over here. No, I didn't. Ow! Oh, yes! More me's. Oh. Speed egg. Let's go. Bye. Bye, other me. Oh my god! Oh my god! How did... what? Did they just leave, or... Oh, no, that was unfair. I was too fat to fly. Oh my god, there are so many. Do I get, like, more points for bringing more back? Don't want the egg. More! I love them. No, shit. Oh. More back. I love these guys. Why have they got this little thing? I think they're... oh, they were doomed. Ah! Oh, well, I lost all my friends. Woo. Victory tube. Right, well, I still don't get what this game... what am I... oh my god, there's so many. Just roll down. Oh, okay, I just got it. So, like, when you press up, they go up. Ah! So, if they're not in the... oh, God! Oh, God. That was... yeah? So, if they're not in the right place, pretty much the same place as you, then you die. Why? That's really hard. I wanted that egg. That was a slow down egg. Oh wait! Oh, because I had clones. I'm still alive. Oh, that's the handiness of clones. Oh, 2 got home this time. Does that mean there's 2 dots? No, there's only 1 dot. Okay. Okay. Woo! 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 Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh! I feel like the Hulk. I'm so fat. That's so much better. Slow down. 2, please. I don't know if I'm meant to avoid them. I don't know. Bye. Speed up egg. The worst kind of egg. No, I'm too fat. Oh, I just made it. Something went wrong there. Oh, no it didn't. Something went wrong for the little guys. More of you. Friends. So tiny. We're never going to be able to lift it. What have we done? No! Oh. Needed to go above. That's where I went wrong. Oh shit. Oh shit. No! Okay. Maybe there's... Maybe... Maybe I have to get... This is bloody hard. What do I do? Maybe I can try and split them? Yes! Yes, lads! Ow. Ow. Doesn't seem to hurt them. Whee! Oh, balls! It sends me everywhere though. Yeah, victory pipe. Oh, there are loads. Okay, I thought there were just like maybe 20 levels, but there are not. Oh wait! Oh. Ah! Ah, friend! Come with me through the cogs of virtue. Ah! I got another one, don't need you. Whoa! Oh shit! No! It was too fat. Why? Don't worry, it's fat. There we go, easy. Hello, tiny clone. Oh, I don't want that. No. No. Oh, okay, maybe I did. I thought it would make me like huge. Test subjects. I mean friends. Shit, 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 shit. Oh. I made it. Screw you, other guy. Well, I guess that's called karma. I don't know how I get to, like, I feel like I'm missing something. A friend now. Oh, victory pipe of success. Okay, I'm gonna do like 3 more. I think. Maybe more than that. Ooh, ah. Eh. Oh, there we go. Yeah. I like how just some of them just get left behind. Well, fuck. And shit. Friends. Push me, fans. These are my biggest fans. Oh! Oh! Ow, 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 ow. Speed eggs! Well, that worked. I wonder if any of them could get like impaled on that. It sounds like a dark thought, but it's a mechanic which I need to know. Friends. Shit. Well. Did they get really scared? It looked like, I'm pretty sure they got like super scared when they saw one of them die. There we go. Fuck. Why am I not getting the right size? I didn't get that one. Fit into your corners. Corners? No, I don't want the speed eggs, they're annoying. See, I don't see any bonus for finishing it quickly yet, so... Well, how's that supposed to... Ah, you go out through there, alright. I got this. I got this. Split it. Split it. There we go. Alright, out through the teeny hole. Speed egg. We're at the end now. Oh, we're not. Feel like I don't want them. Friends. Fuck. That scared the life out of me. We can get crushed here. I didn't realise. There we go. Woo. Victory pipe. It does work with... No, I don't like using the arrow keys. Wassad is much better. Ooh! Break! There we go. Don't really want... Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. I do want you so I can break it. No! I'm so skeptical of the big ones. That's what she said. I'm going to shrink back down to normal size. What even are you? You're like a flying hedgehog. Oh! Friends! That was amazing. Yeah, they're like flying hedgehogs. Yeah, that's what they are. Oh, they like scatter you loads. So they're kind of annoying. I realised that I don't want another big one. Shit. Oh yeah, I did. There we go. I heard a bee. I don't want enemies in this. Shit. I'm too fat. Let's try with the arrow keys. See if that works better. That's what I was supposed to do. So it didn't matter if I was fat. Or maybe it didn't. No, it didn't. Speedy egg. What? How are you supposed to... Let's just take this. Stupid eggs. No, 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 no. Shit. Alright. Roll down here. Roll up here. Oh. Man. Oh my, okay, I need to collect all of them. Otherwise I'm going to be too bloody fat. Okay. Slow down, eggs. What? What? Those were things. Complete all the day one door. Well, I guess that's a good time to finish this one. I may come back to this because it's really fun not letting you see the rest of it. Because I don't know what it is either. And we can experience it together.